Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by the GC Foster College in Spanish Town. And this facility has a sports track, a football field. It's a sporting facility. Now, recently the government announced that they were putting together a committee to look about making the Trelawny Multipurpose Stadium private. Because what happened is the government is spending money every year, like $45 million, to maintain a stadium that's not being used. Now, instead of putting together this committee to make it private, why not just demolish the stadium, use the 60 acres, build NHT homes, which people want, especially in Trelawny, they need housing, and build a stadium out here. Turn this facility into a stadium. Build a stadium in Spanish Town, GC Foster College, where people will actually use it. Now, the Trelawny Multipurpose Stadium was built back in 2007 because of the ICC Cricket World Cup. And I'm not sure if a cricket game was even played there during the World Cup, but they had an opening ceremony there. Now, since that event, the stadium has been idle. An occasional sports event, an occasional event, but it's just idle. And the government has to be spending money every year to maintain it. It's sitting down on 60 acres of land in Trelawny, Falmouth. Now, what do people need in Falmouth? Houses. The tourism in Falmouth is booming. Hotels are going up everywhere on the north coast. What's the issue? Housing for tourism workers. Demolish the stadium. It only cost 30 million US to build. I think the NHT built it along with a loan from the Chinese government. I'm not sure how the financing went, but I know NHT was involved. Give the land to NHT to cover the money that they spent to build the stadium. NHT demolish the stadium and build homes. That is the only way you will get any use out of that area. If in 19 years the government couldn't get that stadium to operate, I'm not sure making it private what difference that's going to make. Not sure. But we are going to go through and give you an update on what the government plans to do at the stadium, the Trelawny Multipurpose Stadium. And guys, let us know what you think about the government investing in this stadium at the this facility at the GC Foster College. Build a stadium out here. It will definitely be used. Spanish Town is right beside Kingston, Portmore, the busiest places in Jamaica, the largest population in Jamaica. Definitely be used. And look at all of this land out here. You could even build other sporting venues out here. You could even build a cricket pitch out here. Well, actually, maybe they have one. That looks like one right there that we're looking at. But this area, this facility should have a stadium, a 25,000 seat, but maybe not so big, but it needs a proper stadium. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. We are going to give you an update on this. Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport, Honorable Olivia Grange, has announced that an enterprise team is being established to explore opportunities for the development and potential privatization of the Trelawny Multipurpose Stadium as part of efforts to position the facility as a hub for sports tourism. She made a disclosure. Minister Grange noted that while funding totaling $45 million has been allotted in the current budget for the facility's maintenance, the government is also exploring broader development opportunities for the stadium. She added that discussions are currently underway regarding long-term investment in and utilization of the facility. but we are currently establishing an enterprise team because we have interest being expressed in privatizing the stadium, the Trelawny Stadium, and developing it into a facility that will be at the center of sports tourism, Minister Grange stated. The Trelawny Multipurpose Stadium in Falmouth opened in 2007, has a seating capacity of approximately 25,000 spectators. The facility was constructed under a bilateral agreement between Jamaica and the People's Republic of China. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.